What's the matter with this bloody knife? Fucking hell. They couldn't puncture a worm with that. I'm supposed to be chopping things up later. Sorry about the attire, but see this crappy bike, right? Just come all the way from South Shields on it. And guess where I came from when I got the South Shields? Fucking, oh God almighty, Plymouth. Been pedalling for 1 week and a half. Hardly any time to stop at B&Bs or fucking hotels. Nothing like that. No life of leisure for me when I'm pedalling up the countryside coming back to this fucking shit house. So, eventually gets back. Just, well, an hour ago. And I've got some ingredients assembled here. And what I'm going to make tonight is spicy chicken and chorizo. And peppers and right, so you've got a yellow pepper, we've got a green pepper, we've got a red pepper, we've got a bunion, right? And we've got some potatoes, but we've got them, I've got these in Aldi's earlier, right? Wait, falling all over the floor. Organic ones and all. And I've got some chicken, chicks, and a chorizo in with paprika. And I've got some lovely Scotch bonnet chilies. Well, there should be Scotch bonnet peppers actually, but I don't know what they're playing at. But they are going to be lovely, hot and sweet. And I've got this. Oh shit, that's for after. That's a cantaloupe. See you later. Right, what we've got here, onions, yellow peppers, green peppers, red peppers, garlic, red Scotch bonnet peppers and green Scotch bonnet peppers. So that's going to be quite kickable. Yeah, quite kickable indeed. And what we've got here is chopped chicken breast. Oh, not thighs, I don't want them, they're too much messing about with. And what we've got here is chopped chorizo sausage, you see. And got a few ingredients, a little bit of liquid seasoning might, well, it won't go amiss later on probably. And this is a very, very, very essential ingredient, because it's a Spanish make. It's smoked paprika, you see, and you can get it now, not this, but you can get it in the jars, but it's not the same. This is a Spanish one. This is what you fucking well need for a dish like this. And you've got mixed herbs, you've got chili powder, you've got salt, and you've got tomato puree, you've got vegetable oil, because I was debating whether to use vegetable oil or olive oil, but I decided on this one instead, because, wait, it's not vegetable oil, it's actually fucking sunflower oil. What am I talking about? I don't get vegetable oil anymore, because sunflower oil is better. Right, so in a minute I'm gonna go. I've got to go back down to fucking Plymouth. Right, that's it. See ya. Hello again, Hameds. You know, when I've got all the way back from Plymouth, my legs are fucking killing us. You know, I've been on my feet all day since I got back from Plymouth. Been pedalling for 6 fucking weeks. Getting back from all the way down there, you know. I mean, why did I go there? I'll tell you why I went there. To meet this fucking lass who's a fucking idiot. And she called me an idiot when I went down there to meet her. Anyway, chicken, chorizo, spice. Oh, look at this. Pan on. Right, look at this. Look at that. Oh, you get that pan on like that. Oh. See, I'm using my. Right, I pinch this off my sister, isn't it? I'm using my cast iron, big, thick, fucking chunky, brilliant pan to do this, because that one's got my chips in. See, I've done some chips in here. I'm going to have to do them later on to get with it. See what I mean? And I bought this so I can play tennis with it later on. Oh no, I didn't. We're going to eat this. Oh, oof. Cantaloupe melon, you see. Oh, we don't want to be... No, that's it. No, we're going balls. And most people, you know, they bring their own balls with them. Well, to chuck out the skittles, you know what I mean? So they put little chocolate things at the end of the lane and chuck stones at them. No, but but anyway, pan's heated up, so sunflower oil in, not vegetable oil, sunflower oil in there like that. There you go. Now let that heat up. When it starts to smirk, that's when you know it's ready to hide the shit in, you know what I mean? So, but the trouble is with this pan, a great pan, but you can't grab it because it fucking burns your bloody fingers off. Oh, you see, I've got this, but you know, you've got no, you don't know what you're doing then. So, when I was a little kid, right, my mum used to say, oh, I bought you some fucking mittens for the winter. Fucking pretty much like these bastard things. Wait a minute. Right, now, chicken first, I think. Where's me poon? There's me poon. Get in there. Chicken in pan. Ow! You make a good tune out of that, but it's only got one note, unfortunately. See, I need these now, because otherwise the bloody thing will move around. Right, so stir this chicken round, turn it down a little bit, and I think, no, well, I don't know. Make sure there's no pink bits left before you put anything else in it, with it. A little bit of liquid seasoning to give it some flavour. Oh, come on, man. See, not much coming on there, plenty of there. So I've left the tap running, so, well, I'll get back to it. So that's the chicken in there. Now the chorizo sausage in there. Ooh. Get in there, you little bastards. Right, this way. You put that in there. And it'll then fuse with the chicken. And that's what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for. And, you know, no more oil. A lot of people make that same mistake. Oh, I'm going to put loads of oil in. Oh, it's gone dry. It's fucking water, for crying out loud. Right, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. So we'll stick a bit of water in. A little bit of water. And now, when it heats up again, when it's, as you know, we need the chicken's nice and no pink left. So now we're putting these in. All the veggies I mentioned earlier. Oh, Scotch bonnets and all. Ooh. My dick's a bit tingly after going for a piss when I forgot to wash my hands when... It doesn't matter how much you wash your hands when you handle bloody Scotch bonnets. You play with your dick or go for a piss or rub your eyes, you're going to have pain on your doorstep, you know what I mean? So, you couldn't really avoid it. Unavoidable pain. So, I'm going to, you know, saute this round, get it infused with the chicken and the sausage, and in a week, probably, in a bit, it'll be good. But now we need this. That fucking well last. Give us one of them bastard spoons. How the fuck do I get this open? Right, that's it. Where's my fucking knives? There you go. See? You need a bit of Norman Bates touch. Sort the bastard problem. Right, what I'm going to put in here is half a teaspoon now, well, like that, there. Turn it back up again. Oh, God almighty. So, oh, I can smell the smoky aromas now. So now, white pepper gives it a nice kick up the arse. Black pepper at the end of it is good as a condiment. A little bit of salt. Let it saute a little bit more. And now, while that's sauteing away, what we need is another tin of chicken soup, another tin of tomato soup, another tin of Campbell's. I'll tell you what. No, Branston baked beans. No, we don't need them. Wait, man. What we need is baked beans and sausages. No, not them. Oxtail soup. No way. Come on, man. Are you trying to tell me I've got no... Oh, I'm looking in the wrong place. listen. Right. Now I find what I was searching for right away. Because I'm looking in the wrong fucking place. Right now, what we need is God oh bloody well mighty. Chopped tomatoes. Oh my fucking word. Why couldn't I find them? Cause I'm fucking stupid and blind. Right. Oh great, now the leg. Right, get in there you twat. Right. See, in here, you've got you know what's in there, but I don't want to get too in. Needs to be turned up a little bit more. Bring back to the boil. And this bloody thing picked back up. You know. A little bit more of this, no. Not much. That's the fucking whack. It's very pungent, you see. It's very fucking pungent. And it's a bit, you know, a bit chili powdery, so shove a little bit of that in, you know. I might as well, you know. Why not? Fucking hell. There's Scotch bonnets in there, but a little bit like that, you see. A little bit like that. There you go. Few mixed herbs, you know, make it a little bit more interesting also. They'll fight with the spices. That's what we need. Get in there, you little twats. There you go. Not much. Now, let that be boiling for a little while, and now the penultimate thickener. Tomato puree, you see. I thought I had some in the fridge, but I must have blitzed it all. But luckily, I've got about fucking 6 or 7 of these in the cupboard, so it's always best to have more than you need. Imagine if they have nuclear war, you know what I mean? Where's the tomato puree? So, put that in there to thicken it up, and I'll see you later when it's dished up, because this is going to be fucking epic. No, it's going to be brilliant actually, not epic. Epic's a fucking silly word. Right, what I'm going to do now is turn this on. You know, look at that. See, it's too fucking big, this thing. It's a 3 litre one. I bet it's fast on the fucking M6. But anyway, I don't know why I got it. There's only me living by myself and all that. So, but I've got all these chips to put in, you see. They're all gonna go in, and they're just in salted water. Well, let them heat up, and then I'll be dishing up in no time at all. Hello, hammerheads. Right. This should be. Yeah, you fucking bastard. Fucking hot. Yep. Just about done this. So, I'm gonna leave that there. Ow! Ow! Right. Alright, these chips are about ready to go in, so there you go. Yep, put the lid on. And wait. And wait, and wait, and bloody well wait. Right, here we go. Let's get these out. Look how beautiful those look. Let's leave them there for a minute. Now look at them. Beautiful homemade. Oh! Indescribable. I'll see you in a little while when it's all dished up. Well, here it is. Homemade chips, spicy smoky chicken and chorizo sausage and peppers, Scotch bonnet peppers, garlic. Anyway, I'm gonna tuck into this. See you later, hammerheads.
Oi, mate! I'm trying to get some fucking sleep, you